In this video, we are gonna take a look at Adobe's new feature, Generative Fill, and how you can combine this with Midjourney and ChatGPT to create awesome images like this. So let's just get into it. Since we are gonna use ChatGPT or GPT-4 to create the prompts for Midjourney, I wanna start over here by priming ChatGPT. So I have this prompt here that is updated for the newest version. I might leave a link for this prompt in the description if you are interested. So when I press play here now, we have some examples of good Midjourney prompts that I really like. So we can recreate in ChatGPT. So now we are basically ready to start creating our prompt, so let's just get into it. The first image I wanted to create was create a prompt of your interpretation of a cat in shiny armor running in the streets of New York. Okay, so let's see what we can get here. You can see we get the Midjourney version 5.1 here, so that's great. Okay, let's copy all of that and head over to Midjourney /imagine, paste this, and let's just run it. Okay, look at this. These were just awesome. So let's just grab one of these. I think I like the one in the bottom left here. I also like this. So let me just bring up this and head over to Adobe. So you can see I'm in Firefly here. I have the beta version here. So we have this generative fill feature. So let me just click on generate. Let me just grab our image here. Okay, so let's try to zoom in a bit. So what we can do now is basically this feature. We can let's start with changing up the eyes a bit. Let's try blue cat eyes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this one. We can load up more. Just click here. Okay, I think I like the other ones better. So let's grab those. I kind of want bigger paw claws here. So let me just take out this. So we can pan a bit. Okay, insert. Let's do metal claws. Okay, these were quite cool. These were big, so I want to keep those. Is there anything else we can do? So let's pan this a bit. Let's try to change up the background. So what we can click then is just on background here. Let's type in the jungle. Okay, that was not too bad. It's a bit strange though. Let's do something else. Let's do in space. Okay, I think I like this one, so I'm gonna keep that. It kind of needs a helmet, right? Let's try to give him a helmet. Okay, here we go. He looks much safer now. Okay, so this turned out pretty funny. Let's try something else. Let's go for a young woman wearing a dress captured from a diagonally back angle, okay? Here are the results back from this. I think I'm gonna pick number 4 here. So let me just upscale that and bring it over to Adobe. So what I wanted to try here was first to start change out the background. I kind of wanted to try, let's try jungle. And then I wanted to try to change up the hairstyle. Okay, these are pretty cool. Damn, that looks good, right? Okay, so let's pick something. I think I like this one. Or was it the first one? Yeah, I think I want this one. So I'm gonna keep that. And then let me try to change up the hairstyle here. So you can see kind of the plant came. So this is all, damn, that looks good, right? So could we get it shorter? Let's try to get it shorter. Okay, so that's much shorter, right? Nah, that didn't do much. I might have to play around with this more, but it looks quite good, right? Now I want to go a climber in the mountains with a falcon behind him. So let's try that. Here are the results. This looks quite cool, right? I kind of want to do something with this in the right corner here, like this one. You can see there are some missing elements here, and the glow is kind of weird. And what is this? So let's grab this, head over to Firefly. So immediately, I think I want to start by removing the bird here, the falcon. He looks great though, but let me just remove that. This glows. Maybe he can just get a hand here or something. Let's try that. Start with that. Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. He's giving me the finger. But this looks fine. Let's keep that. So what I want to do, I still want to use the bird, right? So let's try to get the bird to like stand over here or something. So let's just do this. I'll take this one. It's not as good as the first one, but let's take a look if we zoom out a bit here. Okay, that's much better. We got rid of the glow, right? It looks more natural, and we got a bird sitting on his shoulder. Not bad, not bad. Try to change my hairstyle here. What if I just try to remove all of my hair here? Should we do long hair? Let's try that. All right, I guess that works. Is that like in a man bun or something? Okay, I guess this works. Let me try to remove a bit more. Okay, so let's grab this one. It looks a bit strange though. Okay, so I ended up with sunglasses. So let's keep that. I wanted to try to remove this finger. What happens if I just do this? Okay, so I just went background. That kind of removed it. So now it looks like a hand, right? That kind of changed it up a bit. I'm happy with that. I want to try something else. So I just loaded this beautiful woman something portrait here. I want to try to change up the eyes. So let's just try to remove this. Okay, maybe like this. And I wanted to do big cat eyes. Wow. Damn, that was scary. Can we do blue? Blue cat eyes. This is insane. Cat, that's creepy. Okay, let's keep that. And I want to test, could we do like a scar here? I think this one. Let's try to do a face tattoo. Face tattoo. Okay, this turned out pretty good, right? Let's take a closer look. Oh wow, that is kind of creepy, right? Those eyes. Cool. So I wanted to do this warrior Viking sharpening his blades. Let me copy that. Head over here. / imagine, paste, and run this. It looks awesome, but let's try to fix the hands here a bit. It's a bit strange, right? I guess that hand is okay. What if we just go hand here? I think that is quite cool. It matches the dirt here on the hands, right? Could we do something with the blade? What if we do... So let's keep that. Let's do sharp blade. So we got some different styles. Alright, not bad. So I thought this one was kind of cool. This one was also, but a bit strange. Let's keep this one. Yeah, I think this turned out pretty cool, right? You can see the hands are much better and the blade looks kind of a bit more interesting. Impressive. So we got this awesome image here. I wanted to see if we try to clean up this the dirt or the tattoo here. Let's bring it over here and see. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go over here where you can see this tattoo or dirt here. And let's try to just mark it up first. And what if we run it now? Will it get removed? I don't know. Yeah, that works perfect. That's perfect. You can't even tell, right? Damn. Let's try to change up the eyes of it. Okay, so let's compare this now. I think it looks awesome. So we had this one. That is also very cool. We went over to this. I don't know. They both look kind of cool, but there's a big difference just with these small changes. This opens up a lot of cool things we can do, right? So very impressed by this. So I had a lot of fun with this. I hope you get to try it out yourself soon. It should be available on the Adobe platform. I don't know if it's already in Photoshop, but it's supposed to come there very soon, at least if it's already not. But anyway, hope this gave you some inspiration how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, and combine all of these tools to make something cool. So thank you for watching. See you again soon. Have a great day.